Hi there, I'm Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. This week's video I have decided to do something a little bit different than last week's. I'm going to make these into some chunky 2-ply auto wrapped yarn. This is the batch that I showed in part 2 that I made on the drum carder from the matted fleece that I fixed on part 1. So I hope you enjoy this one. I'm going to use a sparkly green sewing thread to auto wrap it, and then when it's all spun in the single, I will be applying it with fuchsia, fine merino and cashmere thread. So I think it's going to look absolutely stunning once it's all complete. So I hope you enjoy this one. It's the first time I'm using this type of flyer, so I hope it works out for me. I've not done auto wrapped on this wheel yet, so we will all learn something new. I will not be making these into minis, this one. It will be a full 60 gram, maybe 70 gram skein at the end of it. I don't want it to fly. I want it to freely wrap. Normally I would have it below me on the ground, which I'll probably do. Take a little bit to get into it. See, this is going to fall. No, it's not. Alright. If I'm not paying attention. Now, auto wrapping is very tricky. You don't want it to make it look like it's plied. You just want it to freely wrap. And this is a bit thicker thread too. I don't know. It's tingling on this. Alright. I don't know if that looks right. I think it's a little bit too crazy. Alright. Like I said, we're all learning. Maybe if I have it like that, that works. Having it in between this finger and this finger at the back controls it a bit better. I thought the green will bring out the little small pops of green that I've put in this fibre. This one doesn't have a lot. Welcome back. This is part 2. I will be finishing off this yarn now. I'm trying to come up with a decision if I'm going to super coil this and make a really fine super coil yarn, or I'm going to just ply it with the fine merino and cashmere thread. For yardage, I'd probably, because there's not a lot there, it was about 60 grams of mini bats. So I might go with just applying, and then we'll get a really cool effect going on with the green auto wrap and the fuchsia thread for plying. It'll be similar to a crissy-cross effect, I think. But yeah, it's quite soft. I'm going to spun this up about a 4 to 8 ply. So the goal is to get as much meters as I can out of this. So yeah, I would really love to make more bats in order to make a larger skein. I could have probably done that with the other batch, but I had an idea that I would make 2 types of yarns out of it to show you. Now this is a bit rough around the edges because it is from a fleece staples, so it is a bit more fluffier, and it was very, very matted when I first started. I think it was a good choice using the green sparkle thread for auto wrap. Just brings a new element of texture to a yarn. I broke it. This is so pretty. It is so pretty. It's a lot more pinker and green sparkle is wrapped around it. So I hope you can see the colors. It is so soft also. Beautiful. I will take a couple pictures of this once it's finished on the bobbin, and then I'll take it off and I'll lay it flat on my lap so you can see all the texture, the color pops, and the tension of the yarn. Then I will take a picture of it in the skein, and I will put them all at the end of this video. And then the next one will be an unboxing video. I have a lot of restock and really pretty things coming in the next week. So I will do an unboxing, and probably in 2 weeks time, in 1 week time, so after this video. And I will also show these two yarns after they have been washed and set. So I hope you're looking forward to watching that one. I think it's going to be so exciting. I've decided to go with a couple new things for restock and for the sacks. So I will be sharing and showcasing some items that I have bought for the sacks, as well as new fibre stock. So keep a lookout for that one. I will probably put up a premiere sneaky peeky picture or something, a teaser. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this spin. Watch me spin something completely different to normal. I do really enjoy making stuff from scratch off my head, like designs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. This is so pretty. So yeah, stay tuned till the end for the photos. Bye for now.